Today, we're covering Parasite Cleansing 101. What the most common parasites are, the warning signs your body is sending you, and why they're so hard to get rid of, and the natural ingredients that research says can help. If you're into no-nonsense, nature-based health and real wellness education, make sure you do hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss what's coming next. We go deep on topics like this every single week. All right, let's get into it. First, let's talk about what's out there that you should know. The parasites affecting Americans fall into two main categories: helminths, which are worms, and protozoa, which are single-celled organisms. Pinworms are the most common worm infection in the United States. They're tiny, thread-like white worms that live in the intestines and lay eggs at night, causing intense itching. They spread incredibly easily through households, especially among children, through contaminated surfaces and hand-to-mouth contact. Roundworms, this one you want to hear about. These are among the largest intestinal parasites out there, capable of growing up to 12 inches long. You pick them up through contaminated soil or produce, and they can actually migrate through your lungs before settling into your intestines. Tapeworms are flat, segmented parasites that can grow to extraordinary lengths. They're commonly acquired through undercooked beef, pork, or fish. Segments can break off and pass in the stool, even and often without the person ever noticing. And then there's Giardia, a protozoan parasite and one of the most common waterborne parasites in the US. It infects the small intestine and causes severe digestive distress, including diarrhea, bloating, and nausea. And Toxoplasma gondii, the one we talked about earlier, the one that affects over 60 million Americans. Typically, it's contracted through undercooked meat or contact with cat feces. Most carriers show no symptoms, but this parasite can remain dormant in your tissues for years, potentially affecting the brain and the nervous system. And by the way, I have a cat, and our founder, Miss Judy, loves them. So we're not saying don't have cats. We are saying be aware and take the necessary precautions that we'll talk about next. One reason parasitic infections persist is that their symptoms look like other conditions. But here are the signals to watch for: persistent bloating, gas, irregular bowel habits that don't respond to dietary changes, unexplained fatigue or low energy despite getting enough sleep, grinding your teeth at night, that is a big one, skin irritations like rashes or eczema that come and go, increased food sensitivities or allergies, sugar and carbohydrate cravings, joint and muscle aches, brain fog, anxiety or mood changes without an obvious cause. If several of these sound familiar and you've been cycling through doctor visits without clear answers, a parasitic burden could be the underlying driver that nobody has looked for. Here's what makes parasites so difficult to deal with. They are sophisticated survivors. Many species coat themselves in biofilms. This is thin protective layers that shield them from both your immune cells and typical herbal compounds. That's one reason why a single round of cleansing often falls short. On top of that, parasitic eggs are a separate challenge altogether. Many species can lay thousands of eggs at a time, and those eggs can remain dormant in your intestinal lining, tissues, or even on household surfaces for weeks and months. If you eliminate the adult organisms, but you don't address the egg cycle, you're just gonna end up right back where you started. That's why a sustained multi-phase approach is critical. This is not a 3-day flush. This requires a real commitment. The good news is that nature provides some remarkably effective tools. Let's go through the key ingredients to look for in a serious cleansing protocol. Black seed oil, or Nigella sativa, has been traditionally used in medicine for centuries. one of its many active compounds, thymoquinone, has demonstrated activity against a range of parasitic organisms in published studies. It also supports healthy immune function and digestive health, making it foundational in any cleansing protocol. Pumpkin seeds contain cucurbitin, an amino acid shown in research to paralyze intestinal worms, effectively stunning them so your body can expel them. The powdered seeds are even easier to digest. Additionally, a 2024 study published in BMC Veterinary Research found that pumpkin seed oil reduced adult worm burdens by 75% and encysted larvae by 66% in animal models. That is very significant. Oregano oil, our favorite. This is the wild mountain-grown oregano oil. It is particularly valuable for its ability to address biofilms, those protective shields that parasites hide behind. The active compound carvacrol has demonstrated beneficial activity in numerous studies. Its real power is cleansing in a protocol that breaks down the barriers that prevent other ingredients from reaching the parasites. Cumin and fennel. So let's talk about these ones. Cumin supports healthy digestive and liver enzyme activity and has demonstrated cleansing properties in traditional use. Fennel helps soothe the digestive tract during elimination, reducing bloating and discomfort as your body works to expel the unwanted organisms. Now, we do carry products built around these exact ingredients on purpose. Total Body Purge is for the initial cleanse. Black seed soft gels with cumin and fennel, oregano P73 oil, and quality pumpkin seeds, plus pumpkin oil for ongoing support. You can find the links to these in the description below. So how does one actually do this the right way? Effective parasite cleansing is not a weekend project. Because of egg-laying cycles, a minimum of 12 days of consistent daily cleansing is recommended to begin disrupting the reproductive cycle, followed by continued support for a full 30 days. Step 1 is to start with 1 ounce of our Total Body Purge formula daily, without or with breakfast, for 12 consecutive days. Intermittent fasting is encouraged during this phase to facilitate the process. If you experience mild bloating, fullness, or a slight headache during the first few days, that's normal. It means your body is responding. Step 2, after the initial 12-day push, start daily use of our black seed oil soft gels, which contain the cumin and the fennel already, wild oregano oil, pumpkin seed powder, which is easier to digest than the seeds, and the pumpkin oil for a full month. This ensures you're addressing not only the adult parasites, but also the eggs and larvae that may hatch after the initial 12-day cleansing cycle. Now remember, many parasite eggs can remain dormant for weeks. 12 days can disrupt the cycle, but 30 days helps close the door on reinfection. Parasites are not a problem reserved for other countries or other centuries. They are a present-day reality affecting millions of Americans, and the symptoms they cause are all too easy to dismiss or misdiagnose. If you've been chasing answers for chronic digestive issues, unexplained fatigue, or stubborn health problems that just won't resolve, it may be time to look deeper. Your body has an extraordinary ability to heal whenever you remove what doesn't belong. If this video helped you, subscribe, drop a comment with your experience, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. All the product links and research studies are in the description below. Until next time, eat to thrive and take care of your health.